Video number 30. Conditional operators for lists. Continued. In this video, let us see how to compare one item with another item from two different lists. Let us go to Python and write the code. Let us take the same example of the list we created with gene size. And also create another list of shirt size. Let us say we take the conditional operator equal to here to compare the first item from two different lists, gene size and shirt size. So, the equal to operator checks if the first item in the list of gene size is the same as the first item in the list of shirt size. Correct? So, we write print open bracket gene size. Let's open the square bracket, write 0. Let's close the square bracket, equal to shirt size. Let's open the square bracket, write 0. And now let's close the square bracket and also close the bracket. Save the file and run the code. The output is false. Because the first item from the list of gene size is not the same as the first item from the list of shirt size. So, Python check for the condition equal to, and because they are not the same, it will give the output as false. In the same way, we can check the condition for all the items in the list. Shall we see one more example? Let us take the last item, which is the 7th item from both of our lists of gene size and shirt size. Because the index number starts with 0, what will be the index number for our 7th item? It is 6, right? So, let us compare both the items from different lists. Let us copy the same print statement again and change the index of gene size from 0 to 6 and also change the index of shirt size from 0 to 6. Now, save the file and run the code. The output is true because the 7th item from both the list of gene size and shirt size are the same, and so the condition equal to gives true as the output. Now we know how to compare one item with another item from two different lists. See you all again in the next video. Bye bye.